Good morning. My dear children, after the chapter, I gave you some question answers also, but today we are going to do with textual question answers. Here, find the opposite of each of the following words from the lesson it is said. First one is begun. What, do, what is the opposite of begin? Can anyone tell? Begin means finished. Begun, finished. Bought, sold. Bought, sold. Reject, accept. Reject, accept. Eldest, youngest. Eldest, youngest. Lent, borrowed. Lent, borrowed. Earned, spent. Earned, spent. Next, answer the following questions. What common qualities did the three brothers have? What were the qualities? All the three brothers were honest, kind, and hard working, and they were all fond of their mother. All the three brothers were honest, kind, and hard working. They were all fond of their mother. Second, what was the businessman looking for and why? Two questions are there in that. The businessman was looking for a son in law who would be a good husband to his daughter and who would also handle his business well. He was in search of such a son in law because he was getting old and his daughter was of marriageable age. Now again I'll repeat the answer. The businessman was looking for a son-in-law who would be a good husband to his daughter and who would also handle his business well. He was in search of such a son-in-law because he was getting old and his daughter was of a marriageable age. Next, how did the middle brother use the rice? How did he use the rice? The middle brother distributed the rice among the poor. The middle brother distributed the rice among the poor. Next question. Was it right for the youngest brother to ask for a share in the money and why? Yes, the youngest brother was right in asking for a share in the money. Why? Because he had done a lot of work and earned a profit from the original sack of rice. He was keeping back only a small part of his profit in return for the labor and the money he had spent and giving most of it to the friend. I'll read the answer again. Yes, the youngest brother was right in asking for a share in the money because he had done a lot of work and had earned a profit from the original sack of rice. He was keeping back only a small part of his profit in return for the labor and money, and he had spent and giving most of it to the friend. These were the question answers. Next, I'll just go. Next questions, I think so. Just wait. Here, read the highlighted words. All the three of them were honest, kind, and hardworking. Honest, kind, and hardworking. What are these? These are your adjectives. They are describing about those three people. So you can find at least 5 adjectives from this lesson. So the 5 adjectives from this lesson I am just reading. Long, neighboring, middle, poor, wide. Long, neighboring, middle, poor, wide. Okay, just see here, for example, now just list as many words as you can that will go with the given adjective. Example, sudden, it is given sudden change, sudden shower, sudden fall. Same way about it is given simple. Simple, you can write simple job, simple person, simple solution. Odd, odd feeling, odd look, odd behavior. Only, only child, only answer, only student. Honest, honest servant, honest businessman, honest policeman. Long, long coat, long stick, long time. Now imagine that you are one of the three brothers. Write in short what you did with the rice. Now you think if you are among the three brothers, what would you do with the rice? Write in a short answer and keep it ready. And you can find one more story about any three brothers or three sisters and write the story in the notebook. Okay, my dear children. Now I'll go with the meanings. Here the meanings are not given, but I'm just going to read the meanings. Soft-hearted. Soft-hearted means kind. Soft-hearted means kind. Trade. A job requiring skill. Trade, a job requiring skill. Prosperous, successful. Prosperous, successful. Marriageable, fit or suitable at the right age for marriage. Marriageable, fit or suitable of the right age for marriage. Affection, love, fondness. Confession, a statement indicating that one is guilty of something wrong. Confession, a statement indicating that one is guilty, feeling very sad because of telling something wrong or did something wrong. So my dear children, I gave you some question answers as per I have taught the chapter, and you write all these question answers in your notebook. As well as, my dear children, please go through the chapter, read the chapter. When we take a revision test or class that is on Google Form test, everything is given from the textbook. So please read the textbook, the chapters. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay home. Stay safe.